Nearly everyone on Earth would die, and then things would get interesting. Right now, you're spinning. You can't feel it, but you are. At the equator, the ground races east at over 1,000 miles an hour. The whole planet turns like a top, and the air, the oceans, and you ride along with it. Now imagine that, in a single instant, the Earth stops. The ground freezes in place. But the atmosphere doesn't get the memo. The air keeps moving, faster than the speed of sound, and 85% of people live right in its path. Near the surface, the worst winds last only a few minutes, but that's long enough to scar almost every structure off the map. No city is far enough from the equator to escape. Even Longyearbyen, the northernmost town on Earth, would be flattened. Your best bet might be Helsinki. The city above is destroyed, but below it lies a maze of tunnels with a mall and even a hockey rink. Or you've got a bunker. You'd be fine, as long as you're the only one. If your neighbour's isn't bolted down, it's coming through yours. Underground, in subways and basements, people would survive. So would the researchers at the South Pole. Their first clue anything was wrong, the radio would simply go silent. As the winds finally die, all that energy becomes heat, the land scorches, and the temperature spikes. Wherever the air holds moisture, the sky erupts into thunderstorms on a global scale. Out at sea, the winds tear the ocean's surface apart, lifting it, shredding it into mist. For a time, there's no line between sea and sky, just a churning blur of spray. From far below, frigid water rises, a steady 4 degrees, and slams into the superheated air. It creates a kind of weather Earth has never seen, rolling fog, spray, and wild swings in temperature. That upwelling brings life and death together. Nutrients trigger blooms near the surface, while countless fish suffocate in the oxygen-poor water. And the seas themselves are dragged east to west. Every east-facing coast meets the largest storm surge in history, a wall of water miles inland. In the aftermath, the sky itself changes, because if the Earth stops spinning, the day ends, not the daylight, the day itself. The sun no longer rises and sets each day. As Earth keeps orbiting, it rises and sets once a year. A single day and a single night each last 6 months, even at the equator. The sunlit side bakes for half a year. The dark side freezes solid. Beneath the motionless sun, The heat drives titanic storms, a world that looks a little like the early days of Venus. Earth would be broken, baking, frozen and still. But something never stopped moving: the moon. It still circles us once a month, exactly as before. Our days may have died, but the month survives. For billions of years, the moon's gravity has raised our tides. Because Earth spins, those tidal bulges get dragged ahead of the moon, a gentle drag. That drag slowly wins Earth's spin down and flings the moon a little farther away each year. But all of that depends on the spin. Take it away, and the whole process reverses. Now the moon's gravity no longer slows us down. It begins gently to speed us back up. The moon stops drifting away and starts drawing closer, pouring its momentum into the Earth. Day after day, year after year. And then, slowly, almost imperceptibly, the ground begins to move. The Earth turns again. Nearly everything is gone, but the sun rises and sets once more, and quietly, the Earth begins again.